Sarah from Average Betty here, and I'm making Smoothie Pops. Smoothie Pops are 1 part smoothie, 1 part popsicle, and 100% da bomb. So delicious your kids will ask for seconds, and so nutritious you can actually say yes. Let's make Smoothie Pops. A smoothie is more about ratio than recipe. Am I right? Here are 2 cold and ripe bananas. These have been in my fridge for a week or so. This is 1 cup of frozen blueberries and about 2 cups frozen strawberries. So 3 cups altogether. And this could be 3 cups of any frozen fruit. You with me? This is 1 cup of regular old water, but this could be any liquid. Coconut water, almond milk, juice. Get your mind out of the gutter. For the pop part of the Smoothie Pop, you've got more options. You can buy plastic popsicle molds like this. You can go DIY with Dixie cups and wooden sticks, which is really the best method, I think. Okay, into the blender go the bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and water. Put the lid on and fire it up. This is a favorite combo in our house. And you and the family can either drink this 4 cups of goodness up or go on to the pop portion of these Smoothie Pops. The little paper cup technique is really the best because the popsicles are so easy to peel out of the cups. I also like the shape and size better, especially for kids. Whole milk, vanilla bean, Greek yogurt is always a crowd-pleasing combination. So is strawberry. And insert the stick. It should stand up just fine, but if you're afraid of leaning, you can make this little stick-em-a-bob. Pop these into the freezer, and in a few hours, you'll have Smoothie Pops. If you're using these, same deal. The only bummer about these is the popsicles can be super hard to get out, and you're going to lose a stick eventually. Then you can only fill 3 up, then 2, then you put it in the recycling bin, and you end up using paper cups and sticks anyway. But they are pretty, and in the end, any way you freeze it, you've got a delicious and pretty nutritious treats that kids love. And they're good enough to let them have too. And that's pretty smooth. Get the Smoothie Pops recipe at averagebetty.com. So next time you're looking for a reason to actually say yes to your kids, I hope you give these Smoothie Pops a try. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next time. Smoothie Pops.